Hey guys, this is Marley with MarineMax here in Pompano Beach. Today we're going to take a look at this brand new vessel from Sea Ray Boats. We've got a 28 SLX outboard here. As you can see, we got her hooked up with the twin 250 Mercury Verado engines. Checking out the sun pad area. Of course, we've got plenty of storage for your toys and whatnot. We've got the storage, the boat covers in there right now. You're a little hot at the back of the boat. Don't worry, we've got a nice sunshade here that'll keep the Florida sun off of you. Now stepping down into the boat, we have plenty of seating on both sides with even more storage right here underneath this seat. Super easy to access. You got access to your batteries there and all your electrical systems. And you've got even more storage underneath the seat here, plus a built-in cooler that you can remove and take out to the sandbar if you need. Now walking through the boat, we are covered here by this power tower. This is an electric power tower from Sea Ray. So if you are driving and you've got some weather coming at you, you can actually lower this down and you can still drive the boat from the seated position and stay dry when you're going through those summer squalls. Of course, this boat also has the joystick system. That's going to come with your auto heading and sky hook. So if you need to stay at a certain point waiting on a bridge or something, probably not though, because you got this tower that'll lower down. Of course, you've got a head over here on the port side, nice and spacious, vacuum flush of course. And then walking up through, very comfortable bow seating area, plenty of seating for 3, maybe 4 people. And then talking about storage, we've got even more of that right here as well. We've got our table stored in there. We've got a couple more filler cushions for the bow. And of course, this will all come with a windlass anchor. If you want to come check out this boat in person or want some more details on it, please come see us or call us here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give me a buzz at 407-446-5990.